It's hard to match people who don't like birds. Everyone likes birds for their beauty and calm nature. Most of the birds in this world are beautiful. Friends, do you know among these beautiful birds are some birds that cost $1.4 million each? It's hard to believe, but it's true. Dear viewers, in this episode 1 we'll introduce you to the 10 most expensive birds in the world. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Number 10, Northern Cardinal. The Northern Cardinal is a mid-sized songbird with a body length of 21 to 23.5 centimeters and a wingspan of 25 to 31 centimeters. The adult weighs from 33.6 to 65 gram, with an average of 44.8 gram. The male averages are slightly larger than the female. It can be found in southeastern Canada, through the eastern United States from Maine to Minnesota to Texas, New Mexico, southern Arizona, southern California, and south through Mexico, Belize, and Guatemala. This bird is more expensive and the present price is more than $800. Number 9, Mountain Bluebird. The mountain bluebird is a small migratory thrush that is found in mountainous districts of western North America. It has a light underbelly and black eyes. Adult males have thin bills and are bright turquoise blue and somewhat lighter underneath. Adult females have duller blue wings and tails, gray breasts, gray crowns, throat, and back. In fresh fall plumage, the female's throat and breast are tinged with red-orange, brownish near the flank contrasting with white tail underparts. The real price is more than $850. Number 8, Northern Oriole. This bright yellow bird is known as a composite species. They have genetic roots in both the Baltimore Oriole and the Bolex Oriole. Though they are primarily American birds, these small beauties have made some surprising international trips. They have been seen in Europe and on the shores of Ireland and England. That is quite a trip for such a little fellow to make. You have to spend more than $950 to buy this beautiful bird. Number 7, Scarlet Tanager. These are other North American redbirds known for their stunningly red feathers. They don't possess the mystique of their cardinal cousins, and we aren't completely certain why they'd be in such high demand. Certainly, they are pretty, but they're hardly peacocks. Our best guess is that they are devilishly tricky to catch. The current market value of this colorful and beautiful bird is more than $1,000. Number 6, Flamingo. The flamingo is probably the most recognizable wading bird in the world. The stunning red-purple colored plumage itself makes flamingo so special among birds. There are 6 different species of flamingos in the world. They are found on every continent except Antarctica. An adult flamingo measure 4 to 5 feet in length and up to 3.6 kilograms in weight. Their neck is long and lean and has a distinctive downward, bent beak. The market price of this beautiful bird is more than $1,200. Number 5. Yosemite chicken. Sometimes it's all about the color. The Yosemite chicken is black. Not just possessed of black feathers, but literally black to the core. Its eyes, meat, skin, and even bones are completely black. Pretty much everything but its blood is black, and if a breeder could find a way to make that match as well, we're sure they would. These have been called the Lamborghini of chickens, and the price tag shows it. This bird is worth more than $2,500. Number 4. Toucan. The toucan is among the birds with the most amazing bills in the world. They have huge, multicolored beaks that will reach up to 20 centimeters in length. Due to their colorful bill, the toucan is also known as the rainbow-billed toucan. Their beak is a mixture of green, red, and yellow colors. In spite of its heavy appearance, the beak of the keel-billed toucan is hollow and light. It is made up of one type of protein called keratin. They use this large, colorful beak to attract females during the breeding season and also as a defensive weapon. This very beautiful bird is worth more than $8,000. Number 3. Hyacinth macaw. With an impressive length of 100 centimeters, a hyacinth macaw is the largest of all flying species of parrots in the world. They inhabit semi-open areas and savanna grasslands of northern Brazil. They also have a beautiful long tail and strong and curved black bill. The market value of this particular species of bird is $7,000 to $40,000. Number 2. Palm or Goliath cockatoo. These cheeky color changers are stunning in their black and red. The patches on their cheeks quite literally change color when the bird gets excited over something. Though they come from New Guinea, the wealthy of the world keep these brilliant beauties as house pets. This bird is worth more than $16,000 to $60,000. Number 1. Racing pigeons. The most expensive bird on this list is a fairly drab species that isn't known for its music or looks. Racing pigeons have a fascinating history. They've been used by the military around the world to pass messages in the past, and present-day races can have big prize money. Unfortunately, there's a dark, seedy underworld here. The races can often kill the birds. In that light, maybe the cost isn't enough. Such birds are 32 to 37 centimeters long. And the market price of each of them $0.5 million.